Hi there, welcome to DevAlpha. Our bot to download files from iSave.com is now ready. In this video, I will show you how to download files using our bot. You will see this file from me, zip file. After extracting it, open this folder and open this application file. Okay. You will need to put your desired keywords here like USA directory 2023, and if you want to apply additional custom filters, mark it as checked, and if you want to change downloading path, mark it as checked and click start button. Okay, it is showing message set your downloading path. We can change our downloading path from here. I am choosing my desktop, this folder, downloaded books, selecting it, and make sure disable this option. Okay, after choosing your path, click OK. And as we also checked the custom filters option, so you can apply your custom filters like here in this section. After applying, just click OK. Then our bot will scrap data and download files. You can count from here. Some files are not allowed to download by their providers and publishers, so we can't download them, but I have scrapped their book links, so you can easily access their books through links. Now this file is downloading, and this file is also downloading. You can pause it and want to export data from here. Use this option and you can easily export this data. Okay, our data has been saved here in this file, and our files will be downloaded in this folder. 2 files are under downloading process in this section. So this is our bot. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.